Today I'm going to show you how to remove Evernote from your PC, step by step. And I'll also show you how to clean up the leftover files, so it's fully removed. This is useful if Evernote is no longer working for you. You want to free up space, or you're simply switching to a different Notes app. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, before you uninstall anything, make sure Evernote is completely closed. If the app is open, go to the top menu bar and click File, then Exit. This is important because if Evernote is still running in the background, Windows may not remove it properly. Closing it first helps prevent errors during the uninstall process. Now, to uninstall Evernote, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Click on it when it appears. In Control Panel, go to Programs, then click Programs and Features. Scroll through the list until you find Evernote. Once you see Evernote, right-click it and select Uninstall. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes or follow any prompts that appear on the screen. Depending on your version of Windows, you may also be able to remove it through the Settings app. To do that, go to Settings, then Apps, then Install That, find Evernote in the list, and click Uninstall there instead. Both methods work, so use whichever one is easier for you. After the uninstall is complete, don't stop there. There are usually leftover files stored on your PC, and if you want to clean a removal, you should delete those too. To do that, press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the box, type %AppData%, then press Enter. This will open the AppData folder where many apps store cache and support files. Inside that folder, look for a folder named Evernote. Click once on the Evernote folder to highlight it, then press the Delete key on your keyboard or right-click the folder and choose Delete. This removes leftover local data, cache files, and database information that may still remain after installing the app. Once that folder is deleted, the final step is to empty your recycle bin. Right-click the recycle bin on your desktop and choose Empty Recycle Bin. This permanently removes the deleted Evernote files and frees up the storage space on your PC. And that's it. You've now removed Evernote from your PC and cleared out the leftover data as well. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one.